Okay, so everyone knows I'm Miss Curly Sue, but I do this for a reason. So basically I did this about an hour ago before makeup was started, so her curls have had a chance to cool down, and then I just very slowly start combing out the curls, and there'll be beautiful waves at the end, which is the look that we were going for today. These were prepped with some working hairspray and some of the Kenra dry volume spray. So there's a little bit of texture in there, and I'm going to add some more once I'm done brushing. But this is how all curls start out, and I'll turn her around in a second. Because we did a really good job of combing her knots out and stuff at the beginning, we're not hitting any snags now. Perfect. And then I just like to give it a little shake to give it some life back. And here is the Kenra texture spray. I just kind of piece things just a little bit so it's not so perfect. But this is how I like to do waves. We're going to turn Olivia around and kind of fix up the front. Beautiful. So now I need to work on the front. It gives that very beautiful Victoria's Secret hair. And then I just make sure everything is laying how I want it to. And the first part is to make sure the curls all go in the directions that you need them to. And the second part is combing it out and just making sure it flows. Perfect. So because I did all that work ahead of time, there's nice volume in the root there. And I'm going to take that same spray and just kind of separate a little bit, lift the curls, spray them out like that, and that's how we get the voluminous curls in the front. All right, Olivia, give him some face. Perfect.